traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to scalp/day trade gold. It's going to run back quickly. I'm going to show you how successful this strategy is with our system, and then after that we'll go through these trades and I'll explain. That one didn't work out, but we've got a 9 out of 10 here that were profitable, and I'll just scroll through these, have a look. Okay, so that's it. I think there's 10 trades. If this is of interest and you want to make a serious difference to your trading outcome, consider this win rate. There's 23 trades in here and we have 4 stop loss hits. These in fact were trades that I sent into our VIP group. Now if you're looking to take your trading to the next level, consider this, and I'll come back and we'll go through and I'll explain how you can take these trades. But quickly, before I do, take advantage of what I'm offering here. Join us in VIP, daily signals, members chat group, and our currency trading course, Trading 101, Foundations for Success, and our TradingView indicators. So don't hold back, guys, jump on board. It's only $19.95. So back to the charts and let's get into this. What I'm showing you here is incredibly basic. In the trading course that our members have access to, we take this up a few notches. Okay, we look at how to really increase the probability factor. But I mean, simply put, when this indicator is green, and generally when this one down here is green, it's a higher probability trade. But some of our members are just going off this one. So that fires. We've got confirmation with this green bar. Take the trade on the pullback. All right, you can see the outcome. You know, you can pull your stop loss to break even. You can trail it. Exit on the red dot. Up to you. Moving along now. These two. Yeah, I mean, this is gold. It's a 15-minute time frame. If the higher time frame is bullish, if your bias is bullish, you can trade these dots. This one here. So you can enter right on the dot, pretty much. And you can trade these up triangle breakout signals. Moving along. Okay, yeah, and I mean, look, if you're trailing or you're pulling your stop loss to break even and you're following these, and you know, depending on how well you manage it, and you know, some of our members are making a ton of money because they're giving themselves the opportunity to study the videos that I've offered. Now, this orange line is a specific level that we look to target, and look how it trades to it. So you can exit on the red dot if it's a green trade. You know, and I mean, that's an 8.68 R. And your R value, in other words, your risk, you might be risking $100 a trade. No? So there's $800 just on that one trade. If you're risking $100 per trade, just depends on your risk appetite and the size of your account. There's one that didn't work out up here. We've got a 9 out of 10 here. Yeah, take these trades. Bullish trend. Go. Okay, that one didn't work out. At some stage you're going to get hit. Smart money will hunt stops, and a trend, you know, that we can take advantage of at some stage will roll over. That's okay. It's part of the business. Now we're looking for sell opportunities. Now this is a better environment to be trading in. Okay, when this indicator down here is predominantly red and we see this red bar, definitely go for it. You can take the red dots, and what we're looking for is these red candles. See how the candles are colored red? We want them to turn green, and then when they turn green we look for the red dot, and then of course we look for the red down triangle. Let me quickly show you something. This is the account I'm using to send signals into VIP. So at the moment we've got a Bitcoin trade going okay. It's Thursday. Here's the results for this week so far, and we've still got 2 days to go. This is a new account. I opened it at the beginning of this week specifically for VIP. So we're up $800 on this account, and I'm trading at 0.0 2% position size per trade across the board. Yeah, you can see down here the results. Win rate's very high. I think you had one stop loss hit so far. Interesting to have a look at that QEN. But at the moment this is on gold. So I do a video at the end of the week on all of our trades that go into VIP. And by the way, quickly show you VIP. So here's VIP, and you get trade signal. These are copy friendly. Now this is how you receive the signals. So you can use TS Copier to automatically transfer my signals over to your MT4 account. VIP gets member-only videos in here, and some of the regular videos that go out to the public as well, of course, they're in here. But yeah, I mean, look at these trade signals here. This is incredible value. All right, so VIP, and there's a chat room. You can see up here where I'm pointing on the mouse. Okay, so there's a members chat room. You can get involved there and chat with everybody. Okay, so if you want results like this, you can copy these automatically to your MT4 account. So TS Copier, on my website, you'll see the information about that, right? There's a video how to set it up, how to install, set up, etc. And we have the settings here that you can copy and paste. So you import them into TS Copier, and that will take care of everything, so you don't have to really do much. Jump on board, guys. TradingWithAnthony.com. Just coming back over to this gold chart. When these indicators down here are strong like this, grab the opportunity. And we're looking for, in a red environment, bearish, we're looking for these our candlesticks to turn green. This is a stop run, this dot is telling you. And we have these divergence. You can see the bearish divergence lines on here. Take it. Especially when it's trading into, look at this yellow. See these yellow lines here? So if you're trading into these and you see a dot and this is bearish, take the trade. Okay, this is a retrace hitting previous institutional higher time frame levels. Anyway, we're trading down here at the moment. I'm looking for a pullback. Don't chase it. Let's see if we get a retrace. Possibly, like we got a signal here, but I really want to see a deeper pullback with this. Okay, we've got this level here to look at, so we'll look at a potential opportunity if that pulls back into our level. So we're just waiting. I did a video on this one actually today. Yeah, the video previous to this. Actually watch it, and it'll give you some more insight into how I'm looking at the charts. So we've got this range, and I'm looking for the pullback to get involved. Yeah, it's a video that I uploaded just prior to this one. Anyway, guys, that's gold. If you like what you see, shout me a sushi train once a month, and you've got access to everything. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.